1,000 foot a minute.
All right. You got some elevators here to look at.
Listen to that.
It's not running yet.
They're not running.
You want one running?
Yeah, if you can
Sure.
move this one, that'd be great. Stand back up. You're in my way to every way you can. This is
Oh, that's cool.
Hey, pull forward. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, the number is there.
Should I go around that way to get a picture of the side?
Oh, gotcha.
Don't ruin my video.
Sorry.
Stop talking.
We'll run it again.
Stop talking, Sam.
Alright, hold on. Also, you're gonna have to get a shot of that. That's
Alright.
the old computer mounted selector. Alright.
Very cool.
You take the passenger here now?
Yeah, as long as it's not running. That governor, we don't want.
This elevator?
That's the back of house service.
Ah. All right. Clear here. Yeah. Oh, so this is the.
We've got issues with it right now.
Oh, really?
Uh,
This one's a composite, I bet.
yeah, we saw one of these back at Stapleton Plaza before they tore it out.
Yeah.
Curious, is there any like mod plans on these or no?
This one, yeah, well, we're having issues with the selector right now, so we lost the ribbon cable right here. Take your gate, it's gone, so we're having to patch it. We get some cut off the run, and it's fresh.
Darn.
But it's alright. It's anything we have to do to get running.
Yeah.
So it's kind of put the mod on.
This is some really real quick.
Thank you
Just
so much.
be mindful of the equipment.
Yeah, watch the.
This is dangerous.
Yeah, so if that car's running, go past them.
Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
The newer machines all have covers over everything now.
I got videos of the safety tests and stuff if you want me to send it to you.
Oh, I'm going to give you my phone number.
You have an iPhone?
I do.
Here, just.
I don't know how to do that. I'll let you.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow. That is awesome sound. They just use SCRs?
These are all back.
Wow. Oh, this is a geared machine for the service. I haven't seen one of these in a while. What's that? Oh, it's a fuse panel.
Oh, yeah.
That's me. So it should be a test now. And then, like I said, we have to throw all our safety tests off.
Please do it. Like I said, if you're ever in Roanoke, Virginia, I would love to show you my little elevator.
I got some for you in my truck.
Oh, you got something in the truck? I can get a lot of service.